How much should you actually spend on a solar panel system for your home? Some people are thrilled with the budget options, while others feel burned by pricier models. The truth is, price doesn't always equal quality. Product number 1, Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2. First up is the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2, priced at $699. This caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 1,300 reviews and an impressive 4.6-star rating. If you want a portable power system that's reliable for outdoor adventures or emergencies, this is worth a serious look. It's got a 1070 Wh capacity and can be fully charged in just an hour with the emergency mode activated via the app. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That rapid recharge means you won't be left in the dark during a camping trip or power outage. Plus, with a lifespan over 10 years, it's built to last. Now, some users mentioned it's a bit heavy at 23.8 pounds, making it less convenient for some. But honestly, the power and reliability make it a worthwhile trade-off, especially if you need it for serious off-grid applications. This is perfect for you if you often go camping or need an emergency power source, but skip this one if you're looking for a fixed, at-home solar solution. For the price, you're getting solid value with great versatility. Product number 2, N-Type 16BB400W Bifacial Solar Panel. Next up, we have the N-Type 16BB400W Bifacial Solar Panel from Colsun, priced at $329.99. This caught my attention due to its high efficiency rating of 25% and innovative bifacial technology. If you want to maximize your energy output, this is definitely worth a serious look. That's huge for anyone serious about solar energy. Additionally, its dual-module parallel design ensures that if one side is shaded, the other can still generate power, increasing reliability. With over 353 reviews and a stellar 4.8-star rating, it's clear that users appreciate its performance. However, some buyers noted that the installation can be tricky for beginners. This is perfect for you if you want a long-lasting, high-efficiency solar solution, but skip this one if you're uncomfortable with DIY installations. At just $329.99 for 2 panels, it's a solid investment. Product number 3, Eco-Worthy 400W Solar Panels. The Eco-Worthy 400W solar panels come in at an attractive price of $195.99 for 4 100W panels. What stood out to me was the combination of affordability and performance, especially for those new to solar energy. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on efficiency, this is worth considering. With pre-installed bypass diodes, these panels perform well even in low-light conditions, which is essential for anyone living in less sunny areas. Plus, with a 4.6-star rating from over 575 reviews, buyers seem pretty satisfied. One downside is that some users reported that the panels are lightweight and can be blown around in heavy winds. But honestly, with proper installation, that shouldn't be a deal-breaker, especially for the price point. This is perfect for you if you're starting your solar journey on a budget, but skip this one if you're looking for high power output in a windy environment. For the cost, it's tough to beat this value. Product number 4, Eco-Worthy 200 Watts Solar Panel Kit. Next, we have the Eco-Worthy 200 Watts 12-volt 24-volt solar panel kit priced at $169.99. I was impressed by how user-friendly this kit is, making it a fantastic choice for those new to solar. If you want a complete kit that's easy to set up and reliable, this is worth checking out. It's designed for RVs, campers, and off-grid applications, providing an impressive daily output of around 800 Wh under optimal conditions. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, it's clear this kit delivers on its promises. However, some users did mention that the instruction manual could be clearer. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solar panel kit for your RV or off-grid setup, but skip this one if you're looking for a high-capacity solution. For the price, you're getting excellent value in an easy-to-install package. Product number 5, Yasu Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless. Lastly, we have the Yasu Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless System priced at $299.98. This is an interesting option because it combines solar power with security, which is a unique twist. If you want to keep your home secure while utilizing solar energy, this is definitely worth a look. With features like 2K resolution and 360 degrees coverage, you can monitor your property effectively. Plus, it stores footage locally, meaning no subscription fees. That's a real win for budget-conscious folks. On the downside, some users mentioned issues with the app connectivity. But honestly, once everything is set up, the benefits of a solar-powered security system outweigh these minor hiccups. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable solar security system for your home, but skip this one if you prefer a traditional wired setup. For the price, it's a solid choice if you value flexibility and security. So there you have it, the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2 for portability, the Colsun bifacial panels for efficiency, the eco-worthy kits for budget-friendly options, and the Yasu cameras for security. Each offers unique benefits depending on your specific needs. Take your time to choose the one that fits your lifestyle best.